Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn what Jenkins is and why it is useful. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is a free, open-source automation server. Think of it like a robot helper that watches your code and runs checks automatically. Now, let's see how Jenkins works step by step. First, a programmer writes code. Second, Jenkins detects the change. Third, Jenkins builds the project. Fourth, Jenkins tests the project. Finally, Jenkins delivers the updated version. During testing, Jenkins checks functions. If the test passes, we show a 1. If the test fails, we show a 0, and Jenkins alerts the programmer. Jenkins saves time. If a human takes 60 minutes to test, and Jenkins takes 5 minutes, the time saved is 60 minus 5, which is 55 minutes. Here are a few key terms. Continuous integration means frequently merging code changes. Automation means letting software do tasks automatically. And plugins are extra tools you can add to Jenkins. There are over 1,800 plugins available. That is a quick introduction to Jenkins. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.